Mom? Still alive? Ah! Oh my God. You got it. You killed the mouse. Wow. Oh. You're just playing that. It's already dead. Man. The other one is watching. And Ming is scared. She's... No? Other one is very... Oh, you don't leave that in there. Stop playing now. It's dead already. Ah. She killed the little mouse. Oh my goodness. Ah, it's unconscious now. Come here. Where did you get this thing? Outside? Did you get the... It's dead. Okay. So she killed the mouse. Okay. That's enough.